It's been a few months since Gold Gate has removed the live table games. Let's see what the vibe is, if it's any different. Did they make a mistake, or is this a good move? I love this stack of TVs all the way to the ceiling, 16 feet up. How many people notice it? It's really amazing. If it went away tomorrow, would anyone notice? I'm not sure. This is where the table games were. Today's Saturday, early in the day, just afternoon, just a little after lunchtime, or right at lunchtime. Now, would they have a lot of action in here if they had kept the table games? I don't think so. Not at lunchtime. To me, a lot of action with table games helps the casino. I like the vibe of it. But what really hurts a casino, if those table games are empty and the dealer has their hands behind their back, nice and proper, standing stoic, it just looks bad. I don't like it. So there's good and bad with this live table game. It's being gone. $3 blackjack, virtual blackjack. $3 pop-up craps and crapless craps. They obviously still have all the good games. They're just not live tables. These are great games. I mean, if you haven't tried them, you should try them. They're great. If you'd like to try pop-up craps, you've never tried it, I suggest you go to a Stations casino because they've got $1 pop-up craps at every Stations casino. Good way to learn. If you want to know more about why they took out the table games, what the numbers, how the numbers work, I'm going to put a link to the video I did 3 months ago explaining that. I'm not going to over-explain it again every time I come into this place, but I want to reference back to that video. Please watch it if you're curious about why a casino would take out live table games. I think it will make sense once you see it. Those are beautiful slot machines. I'd love to have one. This hotel, as far as I know, up until recently, was still using keys, old-fashioned keys, not key cards, keys. And they're so big and bulky, you would go and drop them off at the desk before you would go out on the town. That's how all hotels used to be. Let's see what these, I always am curious how much cigarettes are. I don't smoke, but I always want to know the price of everything. Let's type it in. 306. Marlboro Reds. $20. Woo! $20 for a pack of cigarettes. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I don't smoke. I'd be broke. Broker than I'm broke.